Wedding photographers have the ability to freeze every moment of a couple's big day, from their first kiss, the entourage, the sweet glances, the emotional reactions of the couple's family and friends, and more. A wedding photographer must be observant and attentive, and this is the reason why they can't help but notice the patterns they've seen in couples who have the potential to last a lifetime. Here are the telltale signs that a relationship will last according to wedding photographers. The first sign is they communicate well. Choi Alcabasa, a destination wedding photographer, shared in an interview with Philstar Life that one of the signs that a couple will last is when they communicate well.
When they communicate well and nagko-compromise sila sa isa't isa, especially sa decision making. Kasi may mga couple na ang nasusunod yung bride, ang nasusunod yung groom. Pero natutuwa naman ako kasi meron talagang mga tao na they meet halfway. So they compromise. Iko-communicate nila sa bawat isa yung expectations nila, yung gusto nilang mangyari sa wedding. Tapos kung ano yung papasaya for the both of them, they compromise. Parang ganon. For example, guest list, parang kung mas marami yung isa, kung mas maraming family yung groom, for example, kailangan mag-compromise na hindi pwedeng imbitahin lahat. Halimbawa, parang ganon. They can decide on their own. Parang kumaga, both of them can decide kung ano yung mas okay for the two of them. Hindi para dun sa isa lang.
Ivy Palomares, who has been in the industry for 9 years, echoed this. She said that the couple's ability to compromise is vital, especially during moments like planning for a wedding where they can face unexpected changes.
During shoots, parang hindi siya talaga planado lahat. May times na kailangan mag-compromise. So, doon natetest na parang paano sila mag-give and take sa bawat isa. So, parang nakikita na in the long run, yung marriage nila is marunong silang mag-compromise and mag-give and take sa bawat isa.
The second sign is they have a common goal. Marriage is a lifetime commitment, so the couple must always be on the same page. Another sign that Ivy Palomares said is that a relationship will last if the couple has a common goal, even with the simplest things like getting good wedding photos together.
Meron silang common goal. Siyempre, kaya nga sila nandoon, parang kaya nga sila magpapakasal kasi common goal nila is yung mag-build ng life together. Napapansin ko, during the shoot, yung goal nila is mag-enjoy, parang gano'n. Goal nila makakuha ng photos na i-treasure nila kahit na, syempre, old na sila or babalikan nila. Yun yung mga napapansin ko.
However, sharing a common goal is a lot more important after the ceremony. Eric Gallardo, who got into wedding photography after his own wedding in 2018, shared that the common goal can be seen when the couple share the same values, like being family-oriented.
Yung mga family-oriented na mga couple, mahal nila yung magulang nila, yung kapatid nila. Kasi the end of the day, yung wedding kasi is magbibuild ka ng family. Pansin ko sa lahat yan yung mga ganun. Talagang maglalas sila. Kasi pag-build na ng family yung next nila after wedding.
The third sign is they spend more time together. Maine and Arjo Atayde's wedding photographer, Jaja Samaniego, noted that couples should not forget to spend time together as a couple.
Kasi diba pag nagka-anak na kayo and all, parang you tend to forget about your alone time as a couple together. So that's one of the big advices na I take home with me whenever I shoot weddings. And I see that also with my past clients when they post online.
The fourth sign is if the couple is head over heels for each other.
Alam kong magtatagal sila when there's so much love, yung touching, and chemistry. Ramdam mo yun when they're together. So being each other's cheerleader, supporting each other, going out on dates. And of course, I think it's really, if they're sweet to each other, like talagang there's touch and there's love, there's chemistry. Alam kong talagang they're meant to be. They're gonna stick. They're gonna stay forever.
The fifth sign is they are each other's support system. Choi Alcabasa noted that one good sign of a relationship lasting is if the couple is each other's best friend.
Yung being each other's parang emotional support. Kasi Maraming times, especially during prenups or weddings, na may mga bagay na hindi na inaasahan na you really can prepare for. We had a wedding sa Kaliraya. Naalala ko, it was April eh. Siyempre, April, summer months, mainit. Pagdating namin sa venue sa Kaliraya, nabagyo. So, yung bride that time, nasad siya kasi supposedly garden wedding. Na-expect nila maganda yung araw. Kaso, hindi nangyari. Ang natuwa naman ako doon kasi they reassured one another na at least matutuloy pa rin yung kasal. Kumbaga, yun naman yung pinaka-important eh.
He also added that he and his team also offer emotional support to the couples they shoot during the wedding day.
Sinasabi ko rin sa team ko na kailangan ganun din tayo, na pwede rin tayo maging emotional support ng couple. Kasi sobrang stressful kadalasan ng wedding prep na ayoko na yung photographers ay dadagdag pa sa ikaka-stress ng couple.
Wedding photographers could only see a glimpse of the lives of the couples they take photos for in their most important day as lovers. Eventually, it is up to the two individuals to build a strong and lasting relationship, which they promise to each other in sickness and in health.